Burton Island is a Vermont state park located near St. Albans. It's only accessible by a boat. And it feels an awful lot like going back to summer camp in the best possible way.
So what do you think of this hike so far?
It's really good, except for it's really, really hot today. And the dog's a little nuts. But other than that, it's really pretty, and we have like a really nice view of the inland sea.
There's a bistro where you can grab breakfast or lunch, and there's also a small market where you can buy everything from drinks and beer to my personal favorite, ice cream. We stayed on one of the 15 moorings available, but there's also 100 boat slips and a lot of camping options. Burton Island was so much fun, and we can't wait to go back. For a full harbor guide, check out the link in our description. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to keep up on our sailing adventures.